Okay, I have a Winkhaus gearbox I've got to change. See, they've got the rivets here and here, which is obviously there and there. I see recently people using these bike chain removers, take them out. What I do is I just get a pair of pliers. They've got the little pull it apart. Oh, I'm not even showing you. Get the pliers, pull it apart. So it's on the actual lock case. On the lock case, not on the bar. And I have a centre punch. And then hopefully I just, there you go. Just knock it straight out. There you go. That's it there. There's one out. I'll do the same on the other side. As you go, it's quite hard doing it while holding a camera. A little punch, and then and there she comes. There it is. Okay. Right, I'll show you when it's done. Okay, new gearbox is on, the rivets are on. Just so you know, the way I put the rivets on is I use that same pliers and I push this on the back so it's actually pushing that down flat, and then to rivet over I just use that, just stick it on there, stick it there, smack it with a hammer, and it's done. And they're in there. They ain't going to come out. Okay, and obviously don't forget your screw on the Winkhaus. Don't take that out, gearbox won't come off. Nice and smooth. Okay, so new gearbox in there. You can see I can just lift the hand up, let it go, put the key in. Give it a turn. It's all working fine.